Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a hairstyle video. We are going to be doing some different styles with satin scarves. This is a super trendy thing right now. I've seen this all over Pinterest, and I've actually done some randomly in other hairstyle videos on my channel, but this video is specifically dedicated to satin scarf hairstyles or different ways to tie a satin scarf in your hair. So before we get started with the video, I just wanted to say that these scarves are from Amazon. The seller is Vbiger. I believe that's how you pronounce it. It will be down below, as well as the link to these scarves. This is what one of them looks like folded up, still in the package. And it actually looks very vibrant on camera. It's not quite that bright of a color, but then this is what it looks like when I fold it up, which I will show you guys how I do that. So they're actually sponsoring today's video, which is really exciting. When they reached out to me, I just figured this is something that you guys would really love, and I think they're super cute. These are already super affordable, but I will have a discount code in the description box down below in case you guys decide to purchase these. So thank you to them for working with me on today's video. And before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe down below and give the video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it. You can also come join me over on Instagram and Twitter if you want to be a little bit more a part of this community. And let's just go ahead and get into the styles.
What do I have to say to keep you by my side? How to start and then liquefy it. Need you here to tell me that I'll be okay. Married one, loving two, and now it's 3 a.m. Thinking what if it's you and me at the end, that maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations, hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home. Look at you, eyes as soft as that ocean blue. Falling in, learn to swim like I never knew. I see it now, that everything will be okay. With no small doses, smell of roses. Can't get enough of you. Can't wait to love on you. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations, hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home.
I don't wanna let you down. It's the only thing I think about every morning. You know my life ain't figured out, but I promise if you stick around it'll never get boring. We'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna lose you now. Will you stay even when you wanna walk away? When times get bad, we can learn to love what we have. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna mess around. You're the only one I want there at the end my story. It's the only thing I figured out. Cause everything else in my life without you would be boring. And we'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flights even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna lose you now. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna let you down. We'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flights even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down. Will you stay even when you wanna walk away? When times get bad, we can learn to love what we have. I don't wanna let you down. 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 We'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flights even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna let you down. No, no, no. I don't wanna let you down.
There is a glimmer, a hint of hope that keeps me strong. And as it brightens, I know it's here that I belong. In a new land, far from where I used to know, with the warm sand and the ocean's morning glow. I wanna see you in every wave that hits the shore. Can't help but feel you when the sea lights up at break of dawn. With my wet hands and my wet hair, I will run all the way back, right about that rising sun. I believe the time is near. Call the ones that you hold dear. We're riding with a new idea, so hold on tight, that dawn is here. We need each other almost as much as solar sparks, sister and brother, emerging daylight from the dark. I will carry all your goodness in my heart over the sea, anywhere you want me. 'Cause I believe the time is near. Call the
So that is going to be it for today's video. I feel like this is just a super fun way to add a little bit of a pop to your outfit, especially a neutral outfit. This could be like your pop of color. So don't forget to subscribe down below if you have not already. Thank you again to Vbiger for partnering with me on this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.